you get a flat on your way to her house. I hope your cute new cat takes a piss on her couch. I hope her high-pitched laugh drives you clinically insane. I hope she leaves you for your best friend on your wedding day. I wish I could say that I wish